Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're gonna explode golf balls in liquid nitrogen. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation, of course, are golf balls, one open Dewar flask, and this is my liquid nitrogen Dewar that I'm gonna pour into this one, which is already cooled for the golf balls. Oh, that surprised me a little bit.
So,
that was a good one, Rick. I love it.
that's not the one that popped. That one popped this one out.
See, good things come to those who wait. You have to be patient and wait. Okay, so what's going on in this crazy demonstration? Look at these golf balls. They break right in half. Isn't that amazing? What's going on here is liquid nitrogen is cold. It's minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It is as cold as the surface of Neptune. And when these golf balls freeze really quickly, they undergo thermal shock. That's when the outer layer of the golf ball gets much colder than the inner layers of the golf ball, and that stress causes them to fracture. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.